Okay, guys. Shut up, Rainian!
Ang gara ng kata. Ay, naka-live ba yan?
Yep.
Okay, livers.
Bro, this is ain't love. This is literally just me videoing like
Do kasi
I'm gonna beat your ass, like something like that. Bro's gonna pick something like maybe Sandboy, like his favorite character, but I think he have no Robux because I just created this account. When he's being a bully, even I can literally defeat him. He just, bro, why did I already die? Bro just laughed. Did you just really laugh? Look at our leaderboard. Look at the leaderboard. Look at my leaderboard.
Uy! May sexy jutsu. Sabi, I got sexy jutsu.
What did you say to me, Rainian? Sinasabi mo, noob ako? May leaderboard naman ako. Ah, tignan mo yung leaderboard. Tignan mo, ilang kill yung hawak ko. 2 kills. At ikaw was 0.
Frog so much. Tona.
Bro. Why it's so far? Okay, wait me there. Suga. Hindi ako makalogin. Kakabalik ko lang dito sa laro. Kasi baka noob na ako. Or baka pro pa rin ako. Saan ka na rin yan?
Dito.
Saan? Hindi ka na dito.
Tona.
Bro trying to be a cool kid, but he's literally a skeleton. I can't take him seriously because he's literally a skeleton. Like, bro. I'm literally scared. Katagal ko na hindi nilaro itong laro na ito.
Ako nilalaro ko to, kila Bilar. You're hiding, charo ko.
Bros, scared. Why is the live series so many? In the real game, like, not this game, but, yeah. Like, why? Boom. Like, why? Like, I don't feel it. It's like, boom. And why is floating right there like he's gay? Kinda quit this game because Rainier's literally quiet kid right now. He's a quiet kid. Rasengan! I told you, my Rasengan is the most powerful thing in the whole wide universe. Chakra Sanjutsu! Ooh, yeah, boy. Want to fight me? Bro, I'm about to kill him even he did something. Like, it's literally bullying me. Yeah, I'm still... No, there's no ult in here. Because I'm not gonna let you, bitch! Hey, shut up, bro. I'm still gonna clap. Wait, let's start laughing.
Ha.
Bro, I was clapping on my name, right? Wait. Am I lagging? Let's go try some other characters and... Motherfucker piece of shit! Minto Uzumaki. Wait. I don't know what is... Hey Naruto, give me... Oh, he gave me 350 money!
Ayun ang magawa nito mo.
Hey, where are you, Rainiel? I'm ready to kill you. Where are you?
Ay, itong energy punch yung paborito ko.
Shut the fuck up. Shadow Chicken! Lightning throw. Teleporting kunai. It's teleporting kunai. Energy punch. Okay, this is the best one. This is the best one, bro. We are Sigmas, and we are not gonna die that easily. Okay, bitch. Teleporting kunai. Lightning throw. Shadow shuriken. Energy punch. And bop bop jutsu. Ay. Oh, get. Wait. Just the video didn't end. Okay. Last. And can I use Sandboy? Oh yeah, I forgot. Copy Jonin. Let me pick Copy Jonin. Wait a second. Can I really see this? It's like a scene there, but let's see it really quite right. I think I'm brain minded. Like something like they're like the dog wall or that. Thunder shuriken! Lightning cutter! Ah! Space eye! Oh fuck. I still have that still mobile in me. Bro, missed.
Sino yung gamit mo?
Kakashi Sensei. Ang ganda nga ito gamitin si Kakashi. No, bro, dodge mace. Bro, stop running! Stop running, bro.
Dito na sa safe zone. Saan dito si...
But still, I win! Subscribe for more videos like this. Wait, let me bop this.
Let me first kill
Bop
him.
bop 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 bop
Mamaya mo
bop bop.
papatayin. Kill him first.
Bro, you can't even kill me.
If you...
Oh my god. Okay, then let's not give Rainiela another kill because it's gonna be like each other, like boom. Just give up, Rainiel. Just give up. Space eye. Boom. Ah. Wait, guys. Wait.
for guys for wasting your time, but
Ito.
you guys are bitches.